Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for CF Acquisition 6. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, September 7, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell CF Acquisition 6? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 23, 2022, our system ranks the CF Acquisition 6 stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 1.114. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 26.92% since we first told you to buy CF Acquisition 6 11 days ago. This is an average return of 2.45% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for CF Acquisition 6, our last headline reads, CF Acquisition Corporation 6 stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The CF Acquisition Corporation 6 stock price fell by -3.60% on the last day, Wednesday, September 7, 2022, from $13.35 to $12.87. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.08% from a day low at $12.43 to a day high of $13.56. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days but is still up by 26.92% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -4 million shares and in total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $46.42 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.52, and the lowest price was $9.67. Right now the price is 30.51%, or $5.65, below 52-week high at $18.52, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $13.37 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 8.66% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -13.88% and 12.86%. The 12-month trend indicates a 1.06% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -21.63% and 29.18%. This equals a price between $10.09 and $16.63 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, CF Acquisition 6 stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the CF Acquisition 6 stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for CF Acquisition 6. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The CF Acquisition Corporation 6 stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $11.89 and $10.44. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 6, 2022, and so far it has fallen -3.60%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. The stock had a golden star signal on Thursday, August 11, 2022 in the short-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for CF Acquisition 6. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.79 and $10.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, CF Acquisition Corp VI finds support just below today's level at $11.79. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.95 and $10.04. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.13 between high and low, or 9.08%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 7.72%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, CF Acquisition 6 meets first resistance at $13.35. If you do not hold CF Acquisition 6 shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, CF Acquisition 6 finds first level of support at $11.79, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for CF Acquisition 6 is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by CFAC Holdings 6, LLC, whom have bought and sold 1,825,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 2 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -5.837. In total, the insiders bought 700,000 and sold 1,125,000 shares in the last 2 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $12.24, minus 4.91%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is CF Acquisition 6 stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for CF Acquisition Corp VI stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 8th, we expect CF Acquisition 6 to open up $0.0838 and start trading at $12.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.